in this store today with our Beauty Queen reporters. I'm Dawn Reese, your Hollywood Entertainment reporter here in Tampa at the Christmas Parade. Stephanie, how are you doing?
I'm doing great. Thank you. So happy to have you.
Oh, we're excited, and we're excited with everything that you're doing with the Gasparilla. We're going to interview you afterwards. And what is your name?
Ashley Ninnis.
And you are what, this year's?
Miss Teen Gasparilla. I'm actually the Lifetime Queen, so...
And then India's our this year's team.
Very cool. And you are?
India McGillivray.
We're going to interview you in segments here after the parade, if you don't mind, so stick around. And Stephanie, what is your website?
It's GasparillAPageant.com. And it's under construction now, so give it a few days. But
we've got some exciting things Stephanie and I are going to bring to the table. We're very excited with the Tropics Boat and the Tropics Boat TV with my show. And everybody, you tell them what you're telling. This is our new Miss Clearwater Beach. And this is our Miss Preteen Clearwater. Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
And this is our Miss Hillsborough County very soon, but she's representing another pageant system. Tell me your title.
Hillsborough County.
That's right. And then we also have our Miss Florida Junior team coming up.
Hello.
And she's our spokesmodel for today. So bye-bye. We're going to get you some great interviews, great fun. And Stephanie, we want to thank you so much from the heart. Thank you. Bye-bye.